Setting up a Deliveroo account in UK is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can set up a Deliveroo account in UK. Well, first of all, you need to create an account, or you can actually submit an application for your account. So how can you do that? So for that, you have to be at your Google, and here you have to search for Deliveroo sign up. And then you have to go to the first website, which should say apply now, deliver with Deliveroo. And then you have to scroll down and click on this apply now button. And afterwards, you just have to fill out the information to submit your application. After your application is submitted, they will ask for various details, like which will you will be using. You will are you going to be using car, scooter, or bicycle. You just have to choose all of these things, and your application will be submitted. And now after some time, they will give you a response if your application is accepted or not. If it is, you will be able to start delivering from your Deliveroo app. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.